Hey everyone, it's Rita, welcome back. So today we're going to be taking a little peek at what I ordered from the still going Sephora BIB sale. So this spring sale, it's still happening for beauty insiders, I believe until the end of this week, so all the way until May 1st. So if you're a beauty insider or if you are a Rouge, this is your time still to be shopping. I am literally waiting on one mask from Caudalie to be hopefully restocked by Friday, and then I'll place a second order. I do have a lot of things that I've been really excited about. Like, I don't just like buying makeup for buying makeup. Like any new releases, I just don't jump right on it. I like to think about what I really want and what's really exciting me. So all of these products were definitely something that I was really excited to get. So anyway, I'm gonna show you real quick what's in this basket with all my item that I got was a repurchase by Estée Lauder. This is their Advanced Night Repair Serum, and I swear by this product. I really love it. I made my mom a converter to this product, one of my cousins. I just want everyone to have this product. It's so good with fine lines and wrinkles. Like literally, this has been the only thing that diminished so much my forehead lines that I was forming literally across my forehead, and it has helped so much with my smile lines. So this is already a tried and true item in my collection. I really love it, and I don't see myself ever not having this in my bathroom shelf. So anyway, this was my first repurchase, and a really second and last repurchase was a brow product, which this is going to be a first for me. I've never repurchased a brow product. I always like to try new things, but ever since I started using the Benefit Goof Proof, I've just been a converter. It's such a good product for what I like with my brows. It gives me, you know, it's like a little bit of a thicker, I actually have the older one here. It's like a little bit of a thicker pencil, so it just gives me the exact amount that I need, and it just makes my brows look really good, if I must say so myself. So that's what it looks like on the older version, and I couldn't wait to get a new one because this one is running very low, and I mean, for 20% off, what's a better time to try it, to pick it up. So this one is my second repurchase, and I am in the number 6, so I believe this is gonna be Cool Black or something along those lines. It's the black shade, pretty much the darker one they have, and I really jump into my cheek products, which is the majority of my haul was cheek products. I did purchase a lipstick, the one of course that I'm wearing on my lips today. This is the most beautiful orange lipstick. I've been on a hunt, not anymore since I found this one, for the perfect orange lipstick, and I think that this is giving me all of what I wanted. First off, the packaging is super stunning. I love how it has like all the black and just the very light faint pink on the front. Very pretty. And the actual component itself, it's super stunning. It's all gold, which if you are familiar with my channel or anything from me, I absolutely love gold. It's kind of like my favorite decor color, and anything gold I want to put my hands on. So anyway, this one I just applied it today. It's such a pretty true orange, but not making you look sick. So to me, orange lipsticks, sometimes if they're a little too light, or they're just, I don't know, sometimes I can look a little bit sick, but this one is so pretty. As you can see in the demo, I'm just applying it, and it's really pretty. I loved the formulation. It's a satin one, so the satins are gonna be all on this packaging, and I really liked it because it didn't tug on my lip. Once I start applying it, it's very creamy, but it's like full opacity, as you can tell. It's very intense color. There's nothing sheer about this lipstick, but it's also very comfortable. So it has a lot of like give to it. There's no tugging on the lips, and it gives like the full opacity, which I absolutely love. So this is a really good formula. I know it's the first time I tried it, but I really am enjoying it, and I think it's going to be something that I would definitely see myself purchasing more of this line from Rouge. What I think was the most exciting, at least for me, for this haul. It's a very old product, and I've had it on my wish list for literally years at this point. I'm not even joking. Probably over 3 or 4 years I've had this on my wish list. Why did I take so long to pick it up? Because it's super expensive. For 2 products, cheek products, I think almost $70 is a little pricey. But I just had to do it. I've been waiting for so long. I thought this is the time to pick it up. And I'm talking about the Filmstar Bronze and Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. As you can probably tell, if you're familiar with my channel, I am a huge fan of Charlotte Tilbury. Everything I've tried from her line, I'm absolutely in love. So this was an item that I was really wanting for a very long time. So I finally picked it up. First off, the packaging, the box itself is super cute. I mean, it's her regular maroon shade. And the box is really interesting because it's just like this, and you kind of like pull this side to the sides, and then you get another box, which, you know, her Charlotte Tilbury logo here, and then you open it up. And I thought it was the cutest thing that it says, "This is a secret that silver screen sirens have kept to themselves for years." So here we go, the actual box. Really cute. And then you open it up again, and it reveals the components, the actual packaging, the actual product. And it's super, I almost dropped it. So look at how beautiful that is. Again, her rose gold usual packaging. She has released this product in kind of like limited edition packaging, but I really like this one, just a plain simple rose gold that's iconic to her line. And then whenever you open it up, you have the big mirror, and of course the actual highlight and bronzer. Today I went only for the highlight because I do have other products that I tried that I didn't want to use this bronzer specifically, but this is the highlight that I'm wearing today, and I really like it. I think it's, for my skin tone, it's a bit more on the subtle side, but you can definitely build it up like I did today. I didn't build it up, I don't think, to the max, but I think it's a good enough glow that I'm very happy with it. I thought maybe this was gonna be more guided to very lighter skin tones, but I'm like a medium light, and I think it looks really pretty. I still need to test the bronzer, but for now, with the highlight, I'm super happy. I think it looks so pretty. Speaking of highlights, I did pick up the Hourglass Ambient Metallic Strobe Lighting Palette. So I believe this was some kind of limited edition back then. I'm not sure how long ago, but it run out of stock pretty fast. So as soon as I saw it on the Sephora website, I thought I might as well just give it a go, since I do love the Hourglass powders. I don't own a ton of them. I actually just have one of the little palettes, like holiday palettes, and I'm absolutely in love. So here's the packaging, all silver. Not my favorite, I'm a gold girl, but you know, what matters, it's what's inside. It comes with a big mirror, and then you have 3 strobe products. So you've got kind of like a more bronzy one, a more yellowy, and a more kind of like peachy, almost pink shade. And the 3 of them I haven't tried yet, but they look really pretty. I mean, they are highlights. I thought this would be great for my collection because as a whole, I don't have a ton of highlights. That's probably my least purchased product. So I thought a palette with 3 of them would be the best way for me to have them, because I don't really care too much for different highlights. To me, I always like the more goldy kind of like tones, so I don't see a difference really in highlights, but this one I was really intrigued and I cannot wait to try it. Of course, I had to pick up the newest Fenty Edition, so I got 2 of the blushes and 1 of the bronzer. She came out with cream products, and I was super excited because right now, or lately, I've been on a kick for cream products. So I got her bronzer in the shade Macchiato, and then 2 blushes, Crush on Cupid, and then Petal Poppin, which is the one that I have on my cheeks today. I really did like the consistency of them. They're very soft. I will be filming like a more in detail video with these products once I receive another one, because I did purchase 1 more in a darker shade and then 2 more of the blushes. So once I have all of those, I'll be doing a video more in depth about them, but I do have a demo. You're probably gonna be seeing it right now, where I'm just applying it. I did use different techniques with my fingers, and then with a stipple brush, then a bigger stipple brush, and finally I did blend with one of the sides with my sponge. I just wanted to try everything. I'll have again some more thoughts whenever that video comes up, but for now I think that the bronzer might be just a teeny tiny too light for my skin tone. Whenever I saw it, I thought it was gonna be good enough. Even whenever you swatch it, it looks really dark, like much darker on the pen, but once it gets blended into the skin, it's not as dark. Gold all over with the big cream on it, because she does have her bronzers are the same exact packaging, except for it just says Fenty Beauty. So that was, I think that's a nice touch if someone has different of her bronzers, so it doesn't get like mixed up. Then it comes with a big mirror right there, and then here's the actual product. It is very deceiving, I feel, on the pan, because it looks much darker than what it looks like once you blend it into the skin. That being said, I did really like it. But again, there's gonna be more of it once I film that video and have the other products that I purchased. So for the other ones, it was Petal Popping, which is this one, and I really did like it. They're teeny tiny. That's something that I was not expecting, and I feel like everyone has said on their videos. So this is the bronzer, and this is the teeny tiny blush. So you can tell a big difference. This is $20, so it wasn't too expensive, but I still feel like for the amount of product that you're getting, it's still a tiny bit pricey. You know, I mean, look at the size is really tiny, look, compared to my hand. The color is really pretty. I did like it. I wanted to go for more of like an everyday lighter shade, and then I went for a more intense one with Crush on Cupid, which I haven't tried just yet. I wanted to go for the lighter one today since I was gonna be wearing a very bright orange lipstick. I didn't want to have a blush and a lipstick competing against each other. So here we have Petal Popping, and here is Crush on Cupid. Again, this one, I didn't think it was gonna be as intense whenever I apply it, but you can definitely build them up or build them down if you don't want as intense of the pigment, but you can definitely achieve this shade. Okay, the dogs are now a little bit more calm. So this was my very first order. Like I mentioned earlier, I will be placing a second one. I am hoping Sephora restocks that Caudalie mask. I'm getting one of the, I think it's a detox one, and I really want it before I purchase a second order, or before I place the second order among the things. And I literally have been going back and forth in what I want to purchase for my second order. Like I said, I don't just buy makeup for buying it. I have to be very excited about it for me to pick something up. And I am very excited about these blushes and bronzers, so I definitely want to get a couple more of them. And I have a couple more things that I really want to get, including another one of these Gucci lipsticks. But I want to try the sheer formula. So I do have one of those on my box. I mean, on my cart. And I had one of the Patrick Ta, where I just realized that it's out of stock. That's very upsetting right now, because I had his new brow products, and I really wanted to try it originally in the tinted version, but then it's out of stock. So then I wanted to place it in the clear version, and now it's also out of stock. So I know the more I take time placing my order, probably more things are gonna be out of stock. But I don't know. I think I might as well just place my order like this. I have 2 more lipsticks, one from Gucci, one from YSL, because they have that cute little packaging with a ton of hearts, and you know, I'm a sucker for packaging. And the one that I'm getting is kind of like supposed to be more in the redder tone, I mean orangey tone. It's like a red orange, so I'm pretty excited about that one. And I'm maybe picking up a lip gloss by Tower 28. I'm not really sure about that one yet, because I don't use lip gloss that much. But anyway, once I place that order and I of course receive the box, I will do another haul. By that time, I think that the sale is gonna be over. But here is what I got this time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did pick up anything from the Sephora sale or you have any recommendations, please let me know in the comments down below, because I still have some time to shop. This video is gonna come up on Monday. Today is Sunday. I'm filming it. I received all of this, I believe, on Thursday. But I do leave my filming for the weekend. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!